So I built a multi-six-figure digital product business while working a full-time job selling just these 5 digital products. Here's how you can get started with each one today and what to avoid so you don't waste years going in the wrong direction like I did. Starting with the first digital product, which is probably already sitting on your computer right now. But before I show you what that is, we need to talk about how I found this opportunity in the first place. The very first digital products I ever sold were printables, like wall art, planners, and cards priced at $5 to $7 on Etsy. That's genuinely where I learned how to make passive income, even though at first it only added up to about $200 or so a month. But I ended up hitting a wall. The only way I could make more money was to either keep uploading more $5 printables or finding something that solved a bigger problem than my wall art did. Because the bigger problem you can solve, the more you can charge. So while I was slowly growing my shop, I had joined a few Etsy Facebook groups. And I'd also just started a YouTube channel sharing my tips on how to sell printables on Etsy. I wasn't really thinking that anything would come of that. And that's when I started noticing the same questions coming up over and over again in the Facebook groups and in my own video comments. Sellers who couldn't make their first sale asking how to get their listings to rank, what kind of photos they should use, and how many listings they needed in their store. Not only could I answer every single one of those questions, but I already had the answers sitting on my computer. Spreadsheets and documents I had built for myself, tracking my competitors, my keywords, my product descriptions, and more. So I packaged them into a template bundle, including a video training showing how to use it, and offered it to sellers who needed the exact help I needed when I started. Think of any template you've already built for yourself to save time or solve a problem that you were stuck on. That's something someone else would pay for. Budget spreadsheets, invoices, content calendars, Notion dashboards, email newsletters, and beyond. I personally bought a social media template bundle myself a few months ago from another creator. I spent $100 on it because she had over 50 templates and a video training that showed me how to use them. So bundle your templates with a bonus video training and offer it to one very specific person with one very specific problem. Now, if you're still interested in offering printables like wall art, planners, and cards like I did, I still recommend offering them in bundles so you can make more money with every sale. For example, I started offering bundles of 6 prints and charged $22 for them versus $7 for a single print. And the most efficient way to create large bundles, like the ones you see on marketplaces like Etsy, is by using Kittl, who's kindly sponsoring this section of the video. You probably know how much I love Kittl by now if you've seen some of my previous videos. It's a super beginner-friendly platform with a huge library of elements and templates to help you with your digital product business. Their AI features allow you to generate digital products within minutes. And they also offer beautiful mock-ups to help showcase your products. They recently introduced Agentic AI, where you type in a few basic words describing what you want, and Kittl handles all the rest. For example, let's say you want to offer a bundle of cleaning and decluttering sheets. By the way, I got that idea from doing some research on Etsy to see what's currently selling really well. I always say that whether you're selling on Etsy or somewhere else, it's a great marketplace to conduct market research. So inside Kittl, you'll see the prompt box at the bottom where you can select Agentic AI and enter a very basic prompt, like, please make a decluttering planner sheet. That's all. And then within a few seconds, it will generate a beautiful decluttering sheet for you. I was actually super impressed with what it made, considering I didn't give it detailed instructions. You can then customize it further with additional prompts, whether you want to change the colors, adjust the sections of the planner, or make any other edits. But if I'm happy with this, I can then instruct it to make more sheets. So for example, design 4 more decluttering sheets focusing on different rooms of the house. And within a minute, it took the design elements of the original planner and created sheets for the kitchen, bathroom, bedroom, and living room. You can create as many of these as you want, and once you're done, export them as PDFs or JPEG files. Something I love about Kittl is that you control the resolution, so you can ensure high quality digital downloads for your customers. To sign up for free, use the link in the description box below and use code Sandra for 25% off any Kittl plan. All right, so back to the template bundle I was offering. I was making about $500 a month, which was great, but I hit another wall because a template can only be worth so much. Obviously, depending on what you're selling. But to scale this further, I needed something I could charge more for with fewer sales. So naturally, I did more research on what other digital products I could offer to the same audience. This is key. You don't want to run off and create random digital products for different audiences just because you feel like it. Stick with the people you already know how to serve. And the great thing is, they told me what they wanted. The people who had bought my templates, plus the comments I continue to get on my videos, kept saying the same thing. They wanted more guidance. They were looking for a roadmap, something they could follow step by step as a new seller. So I expanded on what I already had and built a full comprehensive ebook, which included more templates, video trainings, and 56 pages covering everything from market research to creating the products to promoting them. Now, this is really important to understand. You do not need a big audience to sell your ebook. And if you're not getting comments on your content from people telling you what they want, do what I did when I started. Look inside Facebook communities, Reddit threads, and comments on other creators' content to figure out what people need help with. Once you've done that, pre-sell your ebook idea first. Putting one together takes a few days of hard work, and I don't want you burning those days on something nobody actually wants in the end. I gauged interest before I built anything. I surveyed my small Instagram audience and my tiny email list at the time, and I just asked them if they would be interested in a comprehensive ebook that covers all of these elements. You can even launch your ebook at 50% off to get your first founding members before you fully build it. Then pick one content platform to promote it on, whether that's Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, etc. Now, my favorite content platform is YouTube. So if you want the exact system of how to grow your audience and sell your educational digital products and offers with YouTube, you can grab my free guide called the YouTube Sales Engine down below. Once my ebook was live, I was making about $1,000 to $2,000 a month on average, just from mentioning it in my YouTube videos and promoting it to my email list. The bonus of offering an ebook is that it's low enough in cost that it's an easy yes for your customers. And the people who get a quick win from it are more likely to invest in bigger offers from you down the road. Now, the next idea has actually become one of my favorites because you can either stack it on top of your templates and ebook, or you can literally start here as a beginner. By this point, you already know you have something to teach, whether your expertise is in parenting, dating, fitness, meal planning, finance, or whatever it may be. But maybe you don't want to spend days or even weeks building out a full signature program or committing to ongoing coaching for your students. You simply want a quick cash injection from something that takes a couple of days to put together and doesn't need anything more from you once it's delivered. I'm talking about running a 1-hour live online workshop where you teach one thing to solve one problem for your students. And the best part about this type of offer is you only need a handful of students for it to be worth your time. You don't even need to build your slides or your worksheets until you've actually made a sale. Once people have purchased, it takes a couple of days to pull together. You deliver it live over Zoom, and you send out the replays afterwards. You can easily charge on average $97 to $297 for your workshop, depending on what you're teaching. So imagine you charge $97 and enroll 10 students. That's almost $1,000 for a couple of days of work. In the first workshop I hosted, I taught people how to build out a profitable content plan for their YouTube channel. I ran it over 2 days, 1 hour of teaching each day, with time for questions at the end. I also gave them spreadsheets to work through and gave them the replays afterward so they can watch it again on their own time. This brought in $6,000 and I would absolutely run it again. All you need is a Zoom account to host it live, something to build out your slides if you're using them, and whatever you're already using to put together templates or worksheets for your students. And the bonus is, since it's live, you get to connect with your students in real time. You get to answer their questions and see exactly where they get stuck. If you run the same workshop again, you can improve it based on real feedback you've already gotten. Now, as much as I love workshops, you might have noticed just one problem with relying only on this type of digital product. You have to show up live for it every time. Unless you package the recording and sell that on repeat, running live workshops as your main income puts a ceiling on you because it still eats up hours of your time. So instead, you can build out a digital course. That could be a mini course with 1 to 3 modules or a full signature program with 5 to 8 modules. Honestly, the amount of information matters way less than the transformation it gives people. And the great thing is, if you've already sold an ebook or run a workshop, you're not starting from scratch. You already know what people are struggling with and where they get stuck. Break it up into short video trainings that people can move through at their own pace and come back to whenever they need. Add templates, worksheets, PDF guides, and whatever can help them actually finish and get results. Once it's built, you sell it over and over again without putting in more work. Now, your course will never be perfect, and it's not supposed to be. I built my program last year, and within 12 months, I had already updated it based on student feedback because I'm constantly asking them what they found most helpful and what they found confusing. And that's what you need to do too. This also takes the pressure off of trying to make it perfect because it's always going to be a work in progress. And keep in mind, a good course will always be rooted in your own experience, what you've actually done and what has worked for you. Don't stuff it with information people could just pull from Google search or ask AI for themselves. From there, you've got 2 paths. You can offer a low ticket course with order bumps and upsells to grow the cart value, or offer one big signature program that obviously costs much more. For example, I offer a mini course on how to create a digital product that will actually sell, with an order bump on how to sell digital products using Instagram. The last idea is perfect if you don't want to have to find new customers to buy your product every single month. And it's especially great if you love connecting with your customers regularly and supporting them as they get results. If you've already got a course that gets results, you already have what you need. This is where you shift from a one-time payment to a monthly subscription, giving people ongoing access to support from you, your community, and everything else inside your program, which means you're never starting a month at $0. If you haven't guessed it already, I'm referring to offering a membership. I actually recently converted my own signature program into a membership after noticing something. Most of my students were choosing the monthly payment plan over paying in full. And sure, when someone pays in full, you make more money up front. But there's something to be said for that steady recurring payment landing in your bank account every single month from the people who chose to pay over time. For my membership right now, I meet with my students every single week to answer their questions live. They have an ongoing community for support and feedback, plus full access to every module, lesson, and template inside my program. So you'll continue to build on that. Make sure to grab my free guide, The YouTube Sales Engine, from the description box below if you want to learn how to sell your educational digital products and offers with YouTube. And remember, if you want to upgrade your Kittl plan, use code Sandra for 25% off your order. Head over to this video next where I share how I run my digital product business in just 4 hours a day. I'll see you there.